Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 7th, and this is my recap of the top view videos from Friday. And Friday, the gold versus the dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video from Friday, linked at the end of this video over here. So another big push up on the daily. I wanted to start up here just so I could show everybody that I do believe we are in a wave 3 of 3. My overall target on gold is still above the $2,500 area. So now taking it back down to the 1 hour time frame range. Now does look like we have a sequence of 5 waves right here, which could lead to a reversal, which would most likely just be a correction to the uptrend. If it does go down and break structure, then most likely it would make another ABC correction, probably something similar to these ones we've had in the past. If it does not go down and break structure, I personally would continue to look for longs. Even if it does break structure, I would personally still continue to look for longs. You would just have to be patiently waiting for an ABC correction. So if it doesn't break structure, you could continue to scalp to the long side. If it does break structure, you can either wait for the ABC to be over and then go long again, or maybe you could scalp to the short side, the ABC correction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the corner down here, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.